Alright, so what you want to do is find the center. And if you don't feel confident that this piece is centered too, you just hold your hand real steady on your wheel. And if it's got any like little bump, 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 then you know it's not centered. But that one's perfect. So find the center on top and slowly start boring down to the bottom. But you want to keep your fingers down, your pinkies down here, or any finger you like. I put my pinkies down here. It's just a style that I developed. And you want to go all the way down to where your pinkies and your thumbs are almost level with each other. And don't go too far. So you want to go down and start drawing it out. Just like that.